Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today we have a very exciting unboxing. It's my first Hermes bag. So I actually bought it a few weeks ago, but I have lately taken a break from YouTube because I had a lot of work and some personal stuff going on. But now I'm back and I can't wait to show you the bag. So if you're new to my channel, my name is Marlene and I do videos about style, fashion and luxury items. Please consider subscribing if you like one of those topics, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. So if you follow me, you might know that I have recently sold many of my bags, and I went to Oslo a few weeks ago because I wanted to buy something new. I went to Hermes to see if my essay had anything exciting to show me, and I asked for a very specific bag, and to my surprise they actually had it in stock. So we went to the back and came out with a gorgeous bag. I wasn't 100% sure if I wanted this bag, but once he took the bag out of the box I fell immediately in love, and the bag had my name written all over it. So I'm not going to keep you waiting any longer, so let's get the bag out of the box. So here is the big orange box. Let's untie the ribbon. I can't wait to show you guys this bag. So here is inside. I have to put it down because it's so big. So here it is in a dust bag. Can you guess what bag I got? Let me know in the comments. I actually did a poll on Instagram a few weeks ago and somebody of you have guessed the right bag. But let me know your guesses in the comments. So let's do the big reveal. So here is the bag. It's the Picotin lock in size 22 and in black. It's the Clemence leather, and this bag comes in both Epsom and Clemence, but the Clemence is the most common. I also got the one with the gold hardware. It also comes in palladium, but I prefer the look of the gold one, especially with the black. The leather is so soft and it's similar to the Togo, but it's more textured, and this is a non-structured bag and I really love the look of it. Let's take out the bubble wrap. I just love the shape of this bag. This bag comes with a lock, which comes in this cute dust bag. So here is the bag with the lock attached, and the lock keeps the bag more secure, but you can get your hand inside. This bag is a top handle bag, and you can also attach a strap on these to wear it crossbody and on your shoulder, for example, but it doesn't come with a strap. Inside the bag it's untreated leather. On the bottom you have the same Clemence leather as this, and it also says Hermes in the middle. Underneath it has 4 studs, which I really like, so you don't have to worry about placing this on a table or a chair or something at a cafe or something. It's one of my favorite features of this bag. And you can also change the style of this bag, pushing in the sides. This. It's a great everyday bag. You can wear it to anything and it's very practical. The quality is really amazing and I really appreciate the craftsmanship of Hermes. The leather is so soft and feels so nice, and it's definitely nicer than other brands. I was actually quite surprised by the price of the bag. I expected it to cost a little bit more. I really think it's a lot of bag for the money, and for me it was a no-brainer for the price. This bag has made me even more certain about my preferences when it comes to the Kelly and the Birkin. This is just a little taste of Hermes bag and I really love it, and I can't wait to get some more. I actually already bought a twilly for it to change up the style and to go with summer dresses and so on. You might have seen this on my Instagram. I'll insert some footage here. This is what it looks like with the twilly on. The color on the twilly is perfect. I think it goes very well with the black and the gold, and also my style. So that's my first Hermes bag. What do you guys think of it? Let me know in the comments. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more content like this. And if you're not done watching me yet, here's another video, and thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.